In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide to trading on Exness. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, practice safely, understand key Forex concepts, and place your very first trade with confidence. Start by opening your Exness account on the official website, choose your country of residence, enter your email, and create a strong password. Use a unique password and enable extra security if available. This sets the foundation for a secure trading experience. Next, complete account verification, often called KYC. You'll upload proof of identity such as a passport or national ID and proof of address like a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure your documents are clear, unedited, and show matching details. Verification unlocks full trading functionality and withdrawals, so don't skip it. Now choose your account type. For beginners, the standard cent account is a great starting point. It uses cent-based balances and allows trading microlots, which means you can practice with very small positions while you learn, significantly reducing risk. You can always switch later as your skills grow. Fund your account using the payment methods available in your region, such as bank transfers, e-wallets, or cards. Minimum deposits can be very low, often around $1, depending on your account type and location. Only deposit what you're prepared to risk and be mindful of processing times and potential currency conversion fees. Install your trading platform. Exness supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MT4 is simpler and a solid choice for beginners. You can download it for desktop, use the web terminal, or trade on the Exness Trade mobile app. Log in with your account details, select the correct server, and get familiar with your watch list, charts, and the order window. Before using real money, practice on a free Exness demo account. It simulates real market conditions with virtual funds. Use this time to learn how to place orders, set stop loss and take profit, test strategies, and build confidence. Treat your demo trading like it's real to develop good habits. Learn the basics of Forex. Currencies trade in pairs like EUR/USD, where you're speculating on one currency versus the other. A pip is the smallest price move, and the spread is the difference between the bid and ask. Leverage lets you control larger positions with less capital, but it magnifies gains and losses. For beginners, a range of 150 to 1,200 is sensible. Always manage risk with stop loss and take profit to reduce emotional decisions. When you're ready, open your live platform, select a major pair like EUR/USD. Decide whether to buy or sell based on your analysis. Choose a small lot size such as 0.01. Set your stop loss and take profit, and confirm the trade. Monitor the position and review your results to keep improving.